In the previous 3 videos, I covered what entity engineering is, how AI invisibility affects revenue, and why the timing of when you start matters structurally. Today, I want to answer the question I get most often after people understand all of that. What does building this actually look like? What is the work, and how do you know when it is working? The build follows a specific sequence. You cannot skip layers, and the order matters. The first layer is understandability. It is the foundation. Can AI systems confirm with confidence what your organization is, what it does, who it serves, and what category it belongs to? Most organizations assume the answer is yes. When you actually audit what AI knows and what it hedges or gets wrong, the answer is frequently no. This layer is built through machine-readable identity infrastructure, structured schema, a verified knowledge panel, cross-platform consistency, and a network that tells every AI system that all these records refer to the same entity. The second layer is credibility. Once AI understands who you are, it needs enough independent validation to be willing to cite you confidently, not just mention you, but name you without hedging. This is built through a structured campaign, third-party editorial sources, industry publications, podcast appearances, verified data sources. The goal is not volume. It is cross-validation. AI needs to see consistent, independent confirmation from sources it already trusts. The third layer is deliverability. This is where AI begins mentioning your organization unprompted. When buyers ask relevant category questions, when procurement teams run comparisons, when investors research your space. You do not build deliverability directly. It is the outcome of understandability and credibility compounding over time. The measurement is straightforward. You run a defined set of queries across the major AI platforms, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews. You track how often your organization is named without hedging language. You track whether the frequency is rising. That is your signal. Not rankings, not traffic, whether AI names you confidently when your buyers are asking the questions that precede a purchase decision. Entity engineering is infrastructure work. It is not a campaign with a launch date. It is a foundation with a build sequence and a measurement discipline that tells you whether the foundation is holding. This is what the work actually is. If this series has been useful, the place to go deeper is the diagnostic. Find out what AI currently knows about your organization and where the gaps are.